Alright guys, here she is, my 1986 Corolla GTS. She looks like a pile of crap, but she's not. She's just had some problems. She fell off a trailer, but we're going to take care of that. You guys are going to tune in for it.
Over here!
So it's like 86, 86.
86, 86.
Oh, so this is
See what I did there?
yeah.
See what I did there?
Yeah. This is the one.
This is the 86.
Show them what it's talking about.
So, it's dirty, but we'll go through and we'll clean everything up. And it's been sitting for a while, but we'll have her looking right in no time. She doesn't really have any rust on her, so you know, all the parts that usually rust were all sanded down, repainted, and yeah, shouldn't really be nothing to take care of. So if you actually look down here, that's how thin the painted parts. So a little wet sanded, a little bit of polishing. It'll be as good.
It's nice.
That's new.
Battery not looking too hot.
Oh no. We'll get that taken care of. Here is the main damage. I've already gone through, replaced the hatch and the glass because those were both destroyed when it fell off the trailer. And I have a new rear panel. So we're gonna cut this panel out, replace it with a brand new one, and we're going to have to paint the whole corner, the roof, everything. Won't be nothing. There's no body work on the roof. There's no body work on the corners. There's barely going to be any body work to really fix this. I'm going to go through, redo all the bumpers, repaint everything, shave that rear hatch again, clean the interior up, and show you what the inside is like. Hey.
Oh, damn.
You know what? Let's leave him out with us. Let's get him on camera.
Okay. He's fast.
Yeah.
You're too fast?
He knows he tricked the system. Oh, I hate cleaning shit.
It looks a lot
worse.
better.
It does.
Go before and after.
Before. Believe it or not, like this car is in such good shape. It, like, you know, it may not look like it, but literally finding a Corolla in even half this condition, it's a losing battle. You know, this will not be the only Corolla we do, so you will get to see the sheer destruction of what these cars have gone through. This car is in such good shape still, and it's going to clean up so well. and I can't wait to really show you guys what it's like once it gets